Hi, I'm going to show you how to do these really cool chrome nails with some textured nail art on top. These seem to be very popular right now and trending, and they're pretty easy. So to get started, I am using my Bioseaweed's Black Magic. And when I say Black Magic, it is because this cures to a no wipe finish. So you can apply chrome to this once it is fully cured, and the chrome just applies so beautifully and perfect every single time. I'm using this gold chrome by Christrio, and you can see here, I love the way the chrome applies to this polish. For me, it applies so much better than a no wipe top coat. I don't know, try it out if you haven't. Otherwise, you can just use your no wipe top coat. Sometimes you do have to test the cure times with the no wipe top coat on, I guess which cured amount the chrome applies best to, which is also why I love using this Black Magic, because you just do a full cure and the chrome applies to it so beautifully. And I am using an eyeshadow brush from the dollar store instead of my finger, because you know what, it's really not good to use your fingers because the chrome can get like burnished into your skin, which is not good. So either wear a glove or use something to apply it. And then after I've brushed off all the chrome, make sure you get off all the loose chrome, even around the edges of the nail, or else your no wipe top coat will pick it up and then you'll get glitter versus a mirror effect. So you just make sure all that loose chrome powder is off the nail, and then you're going to come in with your no wipe glossy top coat to seal in all of that chrome. And oh, look at that mirror finish. It is so perfect. And then now for the nail art, I'm using Mahalo, I think is how you pronounce it, with my long fine liner brush. And here I'm just going to paint in some swirly lines all down the nail, making sure to leave space in between so that you can see that chrome coming through. So I was really contemplating whether to do the lines on the entire nail or just like the top corner, but I did decide to do the entire nail just for the sake of the video, to just show you the full effect of this nail art design. So this is where I was like, should I leave it or should I keep going? But I decided to keep going. So I'm just using my long fine liner brush from Glam and this gorgeous blue polish to paint in the lines. And then while the polish is still wet, I'm going to come in with this reflective glitter. Now, I didn't realize that this is actually an acrylic powder. I guess this is reflective glitter mixed in with some clear acrylic. When I purchased it, I thought it was just the glitter, but whatever, it still works. So before I cure it, I'm just going to pour this glitter acrylic mix over top of the wet gel here, making sure to tap it in, let it sink in, let it settle, so that it does get into the polish and really like sticks to it. Otherwise, you can end up sometimes brushing the glitter away after you've cured it if it hasn't really like settled in. So I just like to wait a couple seconds, let that glitter settle in, make sure all of your polish is covered, and then you're going to cure that. And then after it's cured, I like to use a fan brush, but any sort of loose, clean brush will do. Make sure it's clean because you don't want to contaminate your glitter with you know, the previous thing that you were using. So brush all the excess off, and then you get this really, really cool, awesome, two-toned, textured nail art design. I think this is really, really awesome look. This is just great for prom parties, anything glitzy and glamorous. Now for the Fuchsia Chrome nail with the textured roses, I'm using another Christrio Chrome, and I am burnishing it into the Black Magic. This chrome is so beautiful. When it comes to chrome, there's definitely like a quality factor there. So if you find that your chrome is coming off very glittery like all the time, then it's probably the quality of the chrome powder that you have. So I would then suggest try purchasing another one, and then you might get a better effect. So after I've done the chrome, I'm brushing it off. And then here's where I say get all the edges. So I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to go along the edge and get all the loose chrome off the edge of the nail as well, or else your top coat can pick that up and then the nail can end up looking glittery instead of mirrored. And if that has happened to you, it is very, very frustrating. So after you've sealed in that chrome, you're going to cure it, obviously. And then I'm going to use Viola from Madame Glam to paint in the roses. I love using Madame Glam for nail art. It is just a very pigmented and thick polish, and it always works great for nail art. I never have any issues with it at all. When it comes to Bioseaweed gel, however, I don't like using Bioseaweed gel for nail art. I find that it bleeds a lot. It's not very thick. It doesn't stay put. So yeah, when it comes to doing nail art, I would invest in Madame Glam, and you can use my code BeckyTK40 to get 40% off Madame Glam gel polishes. So definitely check them out and use my code to get a discount. Now this is where my son came in while I was painting, and he's so funny. I wanted to include the conversation.
My favorite thing that girls do is paint nails.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Because it's fun.
It is fun.
Like, I'm gonna make designs. Mom, tell me, right now, how do you make bumps? How do you make bumps like this, Mom? I need to know. I'll do it.
Well, you should be watching my my YouTube tutorials then.
Oh, you put that like glue stuff on, right? And then you paint that, and then it hardens inside of that stuff.
Yeah, it's like it's all types of nail polish.
Oh, you put that powder, right?
Now I'm gonna put this powder on.
And then after you put the powder on, it like, does it? Oh, what does that do?
This is gonna make it
Shiny, kind of?
no, not shiny, textured, like.
Oh, not shiny, like textured and kind of like white old stuff. How do you put that glue stuff on though? There's no glue.
I'll show you, okay?
Whoa.
It's like really... He's funny. So that was just clear acrylic powder that I sprinkled over top of the wet gel polish. And then now after it has cured, I am just brushing that off with the same fan brush, which I did clean in between, I think. Anyways, here are the two nails finished. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and please let me know what I should show you next. Bye.